Welcome to Micro Coaching Workshops presented by Progress Coaching. Now, we've created a very cool concept, especially during these very unique times, to help leaders apply coaching to very targeted and niche topics. Some of the topics include coaching a negative attitude into a positive one, coaching someone who's lacking a sense of urgency, coaching someone to help find their motivation. All of our workshops are 2 hours in length. Now, with each workshop, we provide support, reinforcement, and practice. Training alone is not enough. Coaching is hard enough, and we have to provide an apparatus for leaders to have very targeted solutions to typical workplace challenges that almost every leader faces every single day. Each workshop will have fresh instruction. I cannot stress that enough. As we've been doing this 26 plus years, we are constantly building new strategies, new techniques, new questions, new approaches, new conversation progressions. It's one of the reasons we are one of the top rated webinar presenters at Training Magazine and Sales and Marketing Management Magazine. It's because we are constantly teaching new and fresh content. Number 2, you will participate in case study group work. The value here is tremendous because you're going to be working with people outside your organization. And every time we give a case study and we break people into groups, people come back and said, wow, I learned what other companies were doing. I hadn't thought of that approach. Our typical comments. Next, we provide an opportunity to work with a partner one-on-one specific to a challenge you are going through, germane to the topic of the session, where you'll be allowed a lengthy period of time to plan and practice with a partner. Now, all of our workshops typically have anywhere from 4 people up to 12 or 16 people at the most. So you think 2 hours, how much can you really cover? Can someone really provide value in 2 hours? Well, here's a quote from one of our customers that attended his first micro coaching workshop. And this was something that he was a little bit hesitant to attend because even 2 hours seemed like a huge commitment. And what if it wasn't going to provide value? So typical comments we get from our customers after they attend is, wow, the 2 hours went fast. Wow, I got a lot out of it in such a short period of time. So let me ask you a question. You willing to try it out? Send me an email or fill out a form below this video and get some information or a catalog of our upcoming micro coaching workshops, or schedule a time to chat with us. Let us know some of the areas that you're challenged by, and we'll be happy to help you out.